Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have admin rights in Business Manager and two-step verification turned on. This prevents access errors later. Next, locate the ad account ID, billing method, and your legal business name so you can enter them quickly. Once done, open Business Settings and select Accounts, Add Accounts, then click Add. Make a decision now. Claim an owned account or request access to someone else's ID. This choice determines the dialog options you'll follow next. Once you choose Add or Request, type the ad account ID and confirm. Business Manager will validate ownership. If requesting access, send the request to the account owner and assign the role you need right away. If adding, assign people and partners, give admins full control but limit advertiser roles to avoid accidental changes. Then link billing by selecting an existing payment method or adding a new card or PayPal. Make sure the billing owner details match to prevent payment holds. Finally, confirm the ad account shows under Business Settings Ad Accounts and that assigned roles match your plan. Test by creating a draft campaign. If the account doesn't appear, first verify the owner accepted any access request and double-check email notifications and pending requests. If issues persist, clear browser cache or use an incognito window, then resend the request or remove and re-add the account. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched billing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.